students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 12th chapter Heroine's formula. So this is the last sum in the exercise. We will continue the 9th sum. 9th sum, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So whatever is given, whatever information is given, we will draw it as a figure. Okay. So like this we will draw. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A trapezium A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter respectively. So we will take this as 10 meter and this one, the whole side as 25 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So we are asked to find the area of the field. Okay. So for finding this, one thing we are going to do, that is we are going to draw a line parallel to AD from B. We are going to draw a line that is parallel to AD. So we write that as E. So AD parallel to BE. So this is a construction we are going to do. We have done for finding the area of this trapezium. Okay. So we will get ABED as a parallelogram. So both the opposite pairs are equal for a quadrilateral, then it will become a parallelogram. So we get ABED as a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. Then we will get, since in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so this side length of BE will also be 14 meter. So we will get BEC as a parallelogram. Sorry, BEC as a triangle. ABED is only a parallelogram, then BEC is a triangle we will get. So the full length is given as 25 meter. Since we have drawn a line that is parallel to AD, opposite sides also, since we are telling that it is a parallelogram also, accordingly we are drawing a line that is parallel to AD. So that will be 10 meter. The whole length is 25 meter. So till this we get 10 meter. So the remaining along the 10 meter measurement. This is 10 meter. With the 10 meter measurement only we are drawing a line. So CE will be 15 meter. So CE will be 15 meter. So we got the sides of the triangle. So we will find the area of the triangle using Heroine's formula. And ABED is a parallelogram. Base into height we will get. So after finding the area of the triangle, we will find the height. Okay, with the help of that height, we will find the area of the parallelogram. That is base into height. Okay, so first we will find whatever thing we did, that we will write. So draw BE parallel to AD. Therefore, ABED is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. Okay. So therefore BEC is a triangle. BEC is a triangle with sides BE is equal to 14 meter. EC is equal to 15 meter. And BC is equal to 13 meter. Okay. So therefore area of triangle BEC is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we will find S first. ABC is 14 plus 15 plus 13 by 2. So when we add all these things, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 42 by 2 we get, that is equal to 21 centimeter. So area is equal to root of 21 into 21 minus A is 14, then 21 minus 15, then 21 minus 13. So that is equal to root of 21 into 7, 7 plus 14, 21 minus 14 is 7, 21 minus 15 is 6, minus 21 minus 13 is 8. Okay, into 8. So that is equal to 21, we can write it as 3 into 7. Into the 7 we will write as it is. Then the 6 also 3 into 2 into 4 into 2. So now we got the factors of all the numbers inside. So now we will write this. 2 3s are there. 1 we will take it out. 2 7 is there. That is 7 squared. Root of 7 squared is 7. Then root of 2 squared is 2 and root 4 is 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 84 meter squared. Here it is not centimeter, it is meter. So 84 meter squared is the area of triangle BEC. Then for finding the area of the parallelogram, we need base and height. So base we can take it as 10, but we need height. So we use this area of triangle formula to find the height. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So what is the area of triangle? We got 84. So 84 is equal to 1 by 2 into base of this triangle is 15. With this we will find the height. Okay, so this is equal to, if we want to find the height, that is 84 into 2 by 15 is equal to height. So we'll get the height. Okay, so now we'll simplify this. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. Then 8 2s are 16, 56 by 5, that is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 11.2 meter. So that is the height of the triangle. Height of the triangle is 11.2 meter. So now we'll find the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram ABED is equal to base into height, that is equal to base is 10 meter into height is 11.2, that is equal to 112 meter square. 112 meter square. So this is the area of the parallelogram. Now area of the trapezium, area of the field. So area of trapezium is when we add this parallelogram and the triangle, we will get the area. So area of trapezium is equal to 112 plus 84. So that is equal to 196 meter square. So this is the area of the field. We are asked to find the area of the field. So area of the trapezium shaped field is 196 meter square. Okay, understood? So with this I am completing today's class. Exercise 12.2 is over. Heroine's formula, this chapter is over. In the next video, I will be doing new chapter. Okay. If you have any doubts, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.